running my SQL on Termux. So if you notice something, it is giving me a MariaDB interface, okay? And you can see currently the selected database is none. As you can see in the last line here, MariaDB none. So at this moment, no database is selected. No database is selected. So to verify the authenticity of this particular database that we have, I can do something like select the version, okay? Then no. Close. Don't forget you have to terminate the SQL command using a semicolon. So you can see what I have now, the version 11.8.2 MariaDB. That is what I'm running currently on my Termux installation. So to show all the data, to list all the databases that we have currently by default, so you can do something like this: show databases. Okay, show databases. Then don't forget to terminate it with this. So you can see information schema, MySQL, performance schema, the normal text databases that comes with MariaDB or SQL when you run it. So let's just do something basic. Let's create a database and call it testdb. You can see that at this moment what we have is just test. Okay, so let's just create a database and call it testdb. So create database, then I'll call it test underscore db. Then don't forget to terminate the statement. So you can say query, okay, one row affected. So let me run this show databases once more. You see, I now have testdb. Initially, I wasn't having testdb, but now I have testdb. So let me use that testdb now. Okay, let me use testdb. How can I do that? So use test underscore db. Use testdb. So don't forget to terminate your statement. Now database has changed. Now I have testdb. Okay, so to show you that this query is actually work fine, I will simply create a database table. Then we try to insert some data into it. Then we'll select the data and basically exit the database. Okay, so to verify that, let's run some test SQL database queries. So I'll start by creating a new database table. So I will do something like this: create table, and the name of this table will be users. Okay, so for this users now, the fields of interest, I have ID, and this ID is going to be an integer. This integer will be the primary key. It will as well auto increment. Okay, please make sure that these things are spelled correctly. Then we also have the name field. This name field is going to be a text field, and it's going to be not null. Then the last field, I can just add email. So this email field is going to be a text field as well, but it will be unique. Okay, to be unique for every entry. So let me close the bracket and terminate the SQL command. So run this. Oh, sorry, in MariaDB, this is supposed to be int auto increment then primary key. So this is supposed to be int then auto underscore increment. Auto increment, then you have primary key. Okay, so run it. Okay, show the tables that we have. We can just use show tables to terminate it. So